the furnace. Found a used one in Maine or Massachusetts, that maybe we can get and we can get parts. But right now, candle making is shut down. Lord have mercy. It's overheating. Please pray, especially to